Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom in. Today, I want to test an AI tool that claims it can edit videos for you automatically. If you're a creator, you know editing can take hours, cutting mistakes, adding captions, removing silence, and organizing clips. But this tool promises to do most of that with AI. The tool is called CapCut. Let's see what it can actually do. After uploading your video, CapCut AI analyzes the entire clip. One of the most useful features is auto captions. With one click, the AI generates subtitles for the whole video, and surprisingly, the accuracy is very good. Another feature is silence removal. The AI scans the timeline and automatically cuts out the moments where you stop talking. This alone can save a lot of editing time. There's also auto highlight detection. If you upload a longer video, the AI can find the most interesting moments and turn them into shorter clips. This is especially useful for creating YouTube shorts or TikTok videos. And of course, you still have the normal editing tools like trimming, transitions, and text effects. The difference is that the AI handles most of the boring work first. So instead of spending hours editing, you can focus more on the content itself. Is it perfect? Not completely. Sometimes you still need small adjustments, but overall, this AI editor can save creators a lot of time. If you're making videos regularly, it's definitely worth trying. And if you want to discover more AI tools that can improve your workflow, follow AI Scope for more videos.